Okay, here we are with item 17152, ROTEX Apex. Just giving you a general overview. You can see that like some of these doors needs repair, the hinges. And also the cam lock assemblies we do not have. Some of the cam door latches, like these are just wired. So that's tiny things, but things that need to be addressed. It does have the inlet chute, which is pretty detailed to fabricate if it's not there. That one does have it, but it needs one door attached on that side and a couple handles. Wire connection housing is missing from the bow door motor. Other than that, everything's intact drive wise. Try to get you an overall view. I have a picture of the nameplate that I can share with you. On this side, similar story. Some of the latches are missing, but one of those other loose doors goes here, and it looks like this one does have the hinges up there. It just needs bolted on, but we don't have screen frames, screens, cam lock assemblies for either machine. Here we are with the sister unit, and looks like the doors are there. I see one screen frame sticking out, but that's about all we have. We also do not have the inlet chute. It needs to be fabricated. One loose screen frame there. The doors, latch assemblies need addressed. And just cleaning, overall cleaning. But both units are here in stock. And if you got any other questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you so much.